All right, hello everyone. So I've been looking through the first SAP SuccessFactors release, and I know I've been getting a lot more questions about WalkMe, and so I had a video kind of showing what that looks like previously. And so one of the things I noticed within the release under second half 2025 within the platform, there is actually an update for pre-built walkthroughs and shoutouts for WalkMe. And so just kind of looking at this, it actually has this really nice chart which shows which scenarios are new or have been updated, right? And so actually, if you take a look at this within SuccessFactors for things like the latest people profile, the home page, or managing your personal information, this has now been updated. And you can kind of see what this looks like. So it has details about, hey, this is how you access it, and then here are the requirements. So, definitely a big fan of the What's New viewer, and everyone should look through that. But also, if you want to see what this looks like within SuccessFactors, one thing I can do is come here to my SuccessFactors instance. And the first thing is you have to turn on WalkMe. And so you have an activity for this. And then the content type SAP SuccessFactors Managed. So this is the free version of this. Whereas if you want to add your own scenarios, then that's where you need licenses and things like that. So cool thing about this is this happens pretty much right away. I think I might just need to refresh the screen. Once you enable it, now when you're at different pages like the home page, that's where you get the little button here for WalkMe, and then this is where you can see here's the latest people profile. One is how to enable it, and then two is how to configure it, and then getting to know your public profile or exploring the org chart. So if you think about it, this is going to be a nice way where as SuccessFactors releases new updates, they can add the content into WalkMe, and they'll have a explore this functionality kind of built into it with their free included content. So yeah, thanks for watching.